Parajumbles. We'll read all 4 sentences, figure out links, figure out the sequence. The issue here has to do with the sort of conclusion that some authors have derived about adult cognition on the basis of infant cognition. The discussion will revolve around 2 questions: whether it's at all possible to neatly separate thinking and linguistic abilities in the cognition of infants and toddlers, cognition in infants and toddlers, and whether it's possible to conclude that a specific conceptual ability depends on acquiring a specific linguistic ability. No one doubts that acquiring a natural language results in great cognition benefits, as a languageless mind is an impoverished mind. At first sight, the cognition of proverbial infants may be more relevant to the study of human thought than that of other animal species, as these are human subjects, though not yet in possession of a natural language. But some caution must be exercised here too. Now, reading this, 4 looks like a standalone sentence which can start the sequence. But when you're looking at links, no one doubts that acquiring a natural language results in great cognitive benefits, as a languageless mind is an impoverished mind. So he can talk about languages in infants and in 3, but my main link here is 3 and 1. No one doubts that acquiring a natural language results in great cognition benefits, as a languageless mind is an impoverished mind. The issue here has to do with the conclusions. We don't deny that, but the issue is the conclusions that some scholars have derived about adult cognition from an infant's cognition. That is the problem. The problem is not with talking about language and cognition. The problem is drawing conclusions about adult cognition from infant cognition. The discussion will around 2 questions: whether it's at all possible to talk of cognition in infants. So 4 would be a standalone sentence about cognition of infants. 3 is talking, yeah, cognition is important in language, cognition is important, but the problem is do not draw wrong conclusions based on infants and adults. And then the discussion will revolve around 2 questions, which is 1, 2, which is the conclusions that you're deriving may be wrong. So let's go to the discussion on, can you really draw this from this? Therefore, the correct order is 4, 3, 1, 2.